Yeah, you're live.
Alright, this is Facebook Live with Shraddha Kapoor and Tiger Shroff, and all you people who've just signed up, say hello to Shraddha.
Hello, we can't hear you, but hello.
And then say hello
Or
to
see
Tiger.
you.
Hello, hi.
अच्छा, first of all, Tiger, I have a question for you. ये आप कहाँ से, मतलब where have you been manufactured? Because I believe you're a robot.
Manufactured?
Yeah, dude, like look at him, the way he dances, the way he does action. He can't be human.
Thank you. No, it's just a lot of years of no friends and not a very happening social life. To myself a lot. I work on myself a lot. I try to get better at something or the other every day. So just hours of practice and yeah, the same old routine, boring stuff. Yeah. Thank you for that generous introduction.
But that's true. No friends. How about you? Do you have a lot of friends?
I have a few friends who have been my friends since I was pretty little, and yeah, so I don't have very many friends. No.
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
Alright, so well, all of you who are watching them on Facebook Live, you can just send them friend requests because they really need friends. Alright, so we're gonna start with this, that are you baggy for or both? Okay? So first we'll start with you, Shraddha.
Okay.
Are you baggy for love
Or
both? I mean,
Love or-
that means आपके love के लिए क्या बागी बन सकती हैं?
but you said baggy for only.
Yeah, I mean,
or
या तो
only
आप
for
हाँ,
love?
yeah.
Would I be? Yeah.
You would be baggy for love? Have you ever been a rebel? कुछ ऐसा किया है आपने? For love, that daddy मैं आपसे बात नहीं करूँगी, I'm going on a date.
Well, I don't think that necessarily it has to be in that way. I think that the way that I see it is that like love conquers everything and love above everything else for me. But no, not in the way that you have mentioned it. No.
Wow, she's such a Mills and Boons character. But Tiger, have you ever been a rebel? कुछ बागी जैसी हरकत आपने लाइफ में की है कभी?
हकीकत में बहुत सीधा लड़का हूँ मैं. I'm very I mean there's not much to me really. I'm not rebellious at all. हाँ, what the things I believe in, the things like my mother and father, the people I love, yeah, I can be a rebel for them. वरना तो नहीं. I don't.
Yeah.
Otherwise you won't catch me doing anything rebellious or anything, or telling my parents something and then doing something else. I'm a good boy.
Yeah, actually, this good boy image बहुत ज़्यादा है Shraddha Tiger की. Tell us something bad about him or naughty about him because we want to know that.
But I don't think that's a bad thing. I think it's great because, I've spent time with him. I know how he is, and he is what you see. And, he's genuinely a simple person. He's very sweet and he's very focused on his work. And that's exactly what comes across and that's what he is.
Damn, मतलब जो हमें लगा था वो सच है टाइगर के बारे में. He is really a good boy. अच्छा, but have you ever been baggy to your trainers or about your diet कि नहीं भाई मुझे आज नहीं workout करना, आज नहीं diet करना?
Sure, there are days where it gets, a little boring. The routine gets monotonous. There are days where, I feel like यार नहीं आज नहीं करना, आज मुझे कुछ और करना है. मन में तो हाँ बागी बनने की कोशिश करता हूँ मैं, पर सामने जब ट्रेनर आता है या जब डैड या मॉम are in front of you, थोड़ा I can't really. I have to succumb and just go with the flow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you feel like that? You cheat on your diet or your training? Because बागी में तो बहुत action करना पड़ा था.
बागी में जितना हो सका मुझसे उतना किया. So let's not bring up the expectations. But I try to eat healthy as much as I can.
Healthy?
Healthy. Healthy is also good for you.
Yeah, like healthy.
Haldi ka doodh when you have a flu. Anyway, so I try to eat as healthy as I can, but I'm nowhere close to being as disciplined as Tiger is. I have to eat like unhealthy food every now and then.
Yeah.
I do, but like I try to work out whenever I can. Yeah.
None of them look like they ever have unhealthy food, and I've seen Tiger in the gym. Like, dude, he's a beast. इनके साथ जैसा workout कोई नहीं कर सकता. अच्छा, Tiger. So since the film is all about love, what do you have to say about cheating, one night stands?
Well, to each his own. I mean, I'm not one to preach to anybody.
What if it happens to you? What would you do?
A one night stand?
Someone cheats on you. What would you do? Become the action hero of Bagi?
I don't know what I'll do, yaar. If somebody were to cheat on me, I don't know. I've never thought of that. I don't think I'd like it. I'd probably become my character. Yeah, maybe.
And what about you, Shraddha?
Wow, that's like. I mean, if I do imagine it happening to me, I don't know if I'll be able to take it. I mean, it's difficult to even imagine.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, it's sad, right? If somebody cheats on you.
Don't worry, she's very pretty. Nobody's ever going to cheat on her. We're getting a lot of questions for you, but I'll come to that. First of all, I'm going to ask you these quick things. My first date, please tell them.
My first date. I think.
Could he be watching the Facebook Live?
No, I don't think so. But does it count if you're in school and like somebody gives you a chit saying I like you and then you give a chit back saying I like you? Well, that's not really a date.
No, I think I'm expecting a better answer
One
from
second, yeah.
Take your time. I think that's it.
Well, okay, no, you can answer it. I spoiled it.
Yeah.
My first date. You're asking the wrong person. Somebody who's.
You've never gone on a date?
Yeah, I have, but it was like school exactly. So we had a prom in our school, and the entries were forbidden unless you had a date. So I had to take a date to prom, right? And
Right.
so I asked a girl, and thankfully I wasn't rejected. So yeah, I went on date.
मुझे लगता है इस Facebook Live के बाद I will have to turn them a little naughty. They're too good to be true. My first bunk in college.
My first bunk was during the first week of college only.
Now we are talking. Tell us more about it.
So when I was at Boston University, I was there for a year. Yeah, the first week, I think the third day or something only is when I bunked.
I'm impressed. How about you, Tiger?
Yeah, I never went to college. I went to a college called Heropanthi School. So yeah, that was my college.
Okay. My first audition, Shraddha. Tell us about that.
My first audition was actually right after I dropped out of college, which I don't advise you guys to do. It was for my first film, Teen Patti, and I got the part, so that was great.
Tiger, your first audition, what was it like?
My first audition was, oh my god, I can't tell you how nervous I am. I'm a very shy person, as you all know by now, I think. But I remember it was, so my director had, to open me up, he had locked me up, not locked me up, but he had put me in a room with a girl, I won't take her name, but we were doing our workshops. And so in that room, we had to just get comfortable. Not what you guys are thinking. Not what you guys are thinking, but it was a romantic scene, and so we were just discussing the scene, and he wanted me to be just comfortable with her and talk to her a little, because I don't talk much, I'm very shy. So yeah, he left us in there for half an hour, and then we came out, and that's when the scene happened, and the scene went decently.
So many girls are going to be jealous. Now quickly tell us, Shraddha, your first breakup.
My first, what about my first breakup?
How bad was it? Have you ever had a breakup? Are you single? Can people hit on you?
Can you say you had a breakup when you find out that somebody you like doesn't like you back? It's kind of like a breakup only, no? So yeah, well, there was this guy who I liked in school and he didn't like me back.
He didn't like Shraddha Kapoor. Loser. Yeah, seriously, what a loser.
I was just gonna say that.
Also, I didn't tell him that I like him though.
Okay.
I think the
changes
loser has
things.
to go somewhere else. Acha, Tiger, you tell us your breakup.
My breakup, I haven't been rejected because I've never asked. I'm very shy and I never had the courage to go up and ask a girl how I feel about her.
Wow.
For example, I had a crush on Shraddha when we were in school, and I didn't have the courage to go up and tell her.
Do it now. Now, Facebook Live, now. We'll end it with you. If you had to propose Shraddha, how would you?
If I had to,
Yeah.
I would tell her, अगर तेरा मेरा कोई connection है, तो अगली बार जब बारिश होगी, हम अपने आप मिल जाएंगे. That's my answer.
Wow.
And that's part of Baghi. That's
Part
how.
of Baghi.
And that is live on Facebook. Anyways, a lot of people are messaging us. Is there any way that they can ask you questions, your Twitter handles, where you probably
Yeah.
would be answering them?
Yeah.
Yeah, so please just mention your Twitter handles once again.
So Shraddha Kapoor, at Shraddha Kapoor on Twitter, you guys can send in all your questions and would love to chat with you all.
And your Twitter handle.
I'm not very tech savvy, but I promise I'll do my best to reply to each and every one of you. Tiger Shroff is my Twitter handle, and Tiger Jackie Shroff is my Instagram.
Yeah, super. And what we're going to do is that हम आपके सारे questions direct करेंगे, इनको tag कर करके इनसे पूछते रहेंगे जब तक ये लोग जवाब नहीं देंगे. Thank you for watching this Facebook Live with us, and thank you Shraddha, thank you Tiger for
Thank
being
you
with
so
us.
much.
It's
Thank
so
you.
nice
Thank
to
you.
meet celebrities who are so good.
Thanks.
Like they're
Thank
so
you.
good, it's not possible. All right, off with it. Go home, do something else.